Hello everyone and welcome to the Dragon Code. In this video I'm going to generate Fibonacci array in assembly language. Fibonacci array is array which has first two elements 0 and 1 and then every other element is sum of previous two elements. So elements go like this: 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8 and so on. In R0, I will move first element, it is 0. In R1, I will move second element, it is 1. In R6, I will move 2 and it will be counter. And then I will push R0 and R1 on stack. I will generate first 10 elements of Fibonacci array, and I already have first two. This is the reason why counter starts from 2 and not from 0. Then I will move to the new branch called Fibonacci. Here I will first compare counter and 10. And if counter is 10, branch equal, I will leave this branch. I will move to exit branch. And if it's not, I will move in R2. I will actually add in R2, R0 and R1. And then I will move in R0, R1 and in R1, R2. I will push R2 on a stack and I will move 0 to R2. And I will increase counter R6, R6 plus 1. And I will again move to the Fibonacci branch. I also need to add space here. So this was pushing Fibonacci elements on stack. Now I need to write code for popping those elements from stack. So I will create new branch load. And here I will pop first element of stack in R7. And then I will decrease counter, subtract R6, R6 and 1. And I will again move to the branch load. And I also need to stop this branch, so I will compare R6 with 0. And if they are equal, branch equal, I will move to the exit branch. Now I will compile this code. I have error, I need to remove comma here. I will change to decimal sign. So in R1 I move 0, in R0 I move 0, in R1 1, in R6 2, and then I push R0 and R1 on stack. Then I move to the Fibonacci branch. Third element is 1. Fourth element is 2. Fifth element is 3. And then 5, 8, 13, 21, and counter 9 now is 9, so there will be one more element. It is 34. It is also pushed on stack. Counter is increased, now it is 10. It is again compared, R6 is again compared with 10, and now because it is 10, we will move to the load branch. This is address on stack pointer, so I will put that address here, and I will I will choose decimal sign, and now we can see those Fibonacci elements in stack 34, 21, and so on. Now I will load those elements in register R7 one by one, and first element that was loaded on stack will be loaded last. So 34 is going to be loaded first. So now I will move to load branch. In R7 it is first 34, 21, 13, 8, 5, 3, 2, 1, 0, and now counter is 1, so one more element. It is 0, counter now is 0, so we move to the exit branch. This is all for this video. If you like this video and want more videos like this, press like button and subscribe, and see you next time.